Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change Euro to USDT on your Coinbase wallet. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log in into your Coinbase account. After, if you're new user, you can just simply click on the sign up button, and from here you can enter your information. Now, after logging in the Coinbase, you have to navigate to the trade. Click on the trade icon located in the toolbar of your dashboard. From there, you have to click on the convert from the option available. You may need to select the cryptocurrency you want to convert from. In this case, I want to change Euro to USDT. I will select Euro from here, and here I will choose USDT. Now after that, you have to enter the euros. Like in my case, I want to convert euros to USDT, so I will enter 1,000 euros to convert USDT. So if I give one k euros, I get one USDT, 1081 USDT. So after entering your amount, you have to just preview and confirm. Click on the preview convert to see the conversion details, including any fees that may apply. If everything looks good, now confirm on the transaction. So this is how you can change Euro to USDT on Coinbase wallet. This is not exactly what the interface will look like. It will be little different from this one, so keep that in mind.